Welcome to WebStyle Plus. In this video, we will do following. Create a div with text, create second div with some other text, append first div in our HTML and fade in this div. After 4 seconds or certain seconds, fade out first div, append second div, and then fade in this second div. This is the HTML we have got, and this is our output div. Text will appear in it. Text will appear here. And we have got custom.css file linked with it. jQuery is linked with it. And then custom.js scripts file is linked with it. And this is the output. We have some styles in our CSS file to basically centering the text, applying some background, font size, color, and things like that. This is our scripts file. Let's create two divs. This is div 1, const text1, and these are backticks. And inside we have got div with the class text1 with style opacity 0. This is the text hello world. This is our second div with const text2 with class text2 and opacity 0 in style with text welcome to WebStyle Plus. First div has got hello world, second div has got welcome to WebStyle Plus. These are two divs that we will inject in our HTML code here inside output div. We have applied 0 opacity from start. Text will be invisible from start. Then on page load, we will apply our logic. When page will be loaded, select this output div, jQuery output dot append text1. Save. Right click, inspect, and we have got this div that has opacity 0. Now contents of text1, this div has been appended. It has got class text1. Let's select text1 and then change its opacity from 0 to 1. It's like fade in with animate opacity 1. Save, refresh, and as you can see here, opacity is being changed from 0 to 1 and element is being fade in. Dynamic element is being appended and it is fading in. Now after 4 seconds, we will use set timeout function. 4000 for 4 seconds. This is milliseconds. First, this will be performed. This div will appear and its opacity will be changed to 1. And then after 4 seconds, we will take this element again and change its opacity to 0. Save. So this element first div appended, then its opacity was changed from 0 to 1, and after 4 seconds we changed its opacity back to 0. Refresh, element appeared. After 4 seconds it faded out. After that we can repeat this process for second div. So output, append this div or these contents text2, and it has got class text2. Animate opacity to 1. Refresh. So second div appeared, but first is still here. So we can remove first div. We can use remove method. Refresh. First div appeared, and then second appeared, and first faded out. Here is this div 2. Refresh. Div 1. After 4 seconds, second div appeared. Refresh. And this is how we can append elements with fade in and remove elements with fade out using jQuery. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.